police. Open up.
How do I know it's the police?
After I shoot you through the door, you can examine the bullet. Open up. That was easy. Don't you even want to see a badge?
Don't do that again. Okay, let me see a badge.
Shut up.
Okay, I get it. Bad cop, good cop.
Shut up.
Okay. Bad cop. I got it. I know all those routines.
You Leo Getz?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's me, Leo Getz. Whatever you need, Leo Getz. You get it? I use that all the time to break the ice when I meet people. You know, it's good.
I'm Sergeant Murtaugh. This is Sergeant Riggs.
How you doing? Nice to meet you. Okay, so what do I call you guys?
Sergeant Murtaugh, Sergeant Riggs.
We're gonna be your shadow for a few days, Leo.
Okay, that's all right with me. Hey, an old-fashioned whip. Ow. Okay. I just didn't see one in a long time. I didn't think anybody used those things anymore. Boy, I bet you the kid's got an automatic. How about it? You got an automatic? Yep, a Beretta. There it is.
Don't touch.
Hey. Sure you guys are cops or what? You gotta watch how you treat me, you know. I'm a witness for the state. Star witness. State of New York.
We're gonna take that room over there.
Actually, I already have my stuff in this room. I mean, you know, when I, Okay, it's yours, okay? My stuff's gone. I'll move it in the small room, okay? I mean, I'm the smallest guy here. I'll take the small room. Okay? Come on. Hey, loosen up a little bit, you guys. Come on, we're gonna be together a long time. I'll get it.
No.
It's only room service, guys. Hey, oh, I forgot to tell you. You guys hungry? I'll call down and get something else. Anything you want. See this silk robe? Silk pajamas? Free. Come on.
It's not free.
Yes, it is. It's free.
It's taxpayers' money.
Oh, God, come on. It's the same thing, okay?
Good morning, gentlemen.
Hey. That's my food. You guys didn't want anything, right? Wait, bring it here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's mine. Boy, hey, you could add anything you wanted. Hey, I didn't order a hamburger. I ordered eggs.
Johnny!
Out the window, no!
Where is he? Hey, somebody stop that guy! Stop it!
Don't leave me! I get through!
All right. Get off me! Get off me! All right, okay. Come on, we're near the edge of the pool. Now get the fuck off my back, okay?
Clear! Move it! Get back! Police! Hey, you all right, man?
Yeah, I'm okay. Where were you, man? You my partner or what? Why didn't you follow me down?
Yeah, why don't you follow him down?
Shut up! I'm 7 floors up!
Hey, you hit me.
Good.
Leo, this guy took an awful chance to pop all three of us like that. What did you see? Did you witness a murder or something? What was
No,
it?
nothing like that, honest. Okay. All I did was I laundered $500 million in drug money, okay?
$500 million?
Give or take a few. Who can count with that much money?